We are preparing this banana so that we can use it to make a strawberry banana
milkshake.
I was telling my grandson how you can open the banana from the bottom. Sometimes I open it from the top. My grandson, he wanted to use the whole banana, but I wanted to save half for my milkshake. I guess this is a strawberry banana smoothie since we're using frozen strawberries and bananas. But is it a strawberry banana smoothie or a strawberry milkshake? We're adding some Greek yogurt to our banana. That's a fresh banana, Greek yogurt, and some milk. I'm just eyeballing it just because I want it to be not so thick. Here is our frozen strawberries and bananas. We had to take a few out, and I added about 4 or 5 chunks of pineapple because I think that the pineapple helps to make it sweet without adding all that sugar. This is a light syrup because I'm trying to cut back on added sugars. I'm watching my waistline. Next, I will be showing my grandsons how to use the blender. They're screwing on the top, and of course, I added a little assistance. Next, we're using the Ninja blender to blend our smoothie milkshake. You have to make sure it clicks in place before being able to push the button and blend the smoothie. The machine automatically stops when everything is fully blended.